Question number 1, consider the following statements about Libyan desert. It lies to the northeast of Sahara desert. Guys, I have already told you when we were doing the video. So it is right. It extends to Libya, Egypt, Sudan and Chad. No, it is wrong because it lies in only 3 countries, Libya, Egypt and Sudan. So the answer would be only 1. See this map, guys. This is Libyan desert, right, and this is Sahara desert. So it is lying to the northeast of Sahara desert. So option 1 is right. And you can see this map also, political map of Africa. This is the country Libya, Egypt and Sudan. So Chad is a country where this Libyan desert don't lie, right? Only in 3 countries. Question number 2, consider the following statements about Kalahari desert. The major part of desert lies in Botswana. Yeah, this is right. It also extends to Namibia and South Africa. It is also right. Guys, you know that we have already done about these in part 10th of African continent, and if you have not seen those videos, then you can go to my playlist or I will provide you the link in my description box, right? So the answer to this would be both. C would be the correct option. See guys, you can see this map. This is Kalahari desert. So Botswana, this is the country where the major portion of this desert lies, and some part also lies in this country Namibia and South Africa. And also one most important fact, you can see this is Capricorn, Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees south. It also passes through Kalahari desert and Namib desert also. And guys, if you remember, I told you that to the northeast of this Kalahari desert, here lies Makadikari salt pan also when we were doing the video. So you can see this question again. The major part of desert lies in Botswana, right, and it also extends to Namibia and South Africa, right. Option would be C. Now question number 3, consider the following statements about Namib desert. As you have seen that Namib desert was adjacent to this Kalahari desert. First is, it lies along the coast of Indian Ocean. No, as you have seen that it lies along the coast of Atlantic Ocean. That means it is wrong. It extends through Namibia, South Africa only. No, it is also wrong because we have read that a major portion of it lies in Angola country also, right. So the answer would be D, none. Neither 1, neither 2 of the option. See this map, guys. This is Namib desert along the coast of Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean, right, and it lies in 3 countries, Namibia, South Africa and minor portion here in Angola. Question number 4, consider the following statements about Nubian desert. It is separated from the Arabian desert by river Nile. No, it is wrong. See this map, guys. This is Nubian desert and this is Arabian desert. This is Eastern desert, but it is also known by the name Arabian desert. So you can see it is not separated by river Nile, right. So our first statement would be wrong. Now second statement, it is also separated from Libyan desert by river Nile. So we again see that Nubian desert and Libyan desert are being separated by river Nile or not. See guys, this is Nubian desert, right, and this is Libyan desert, and it is separated by this river Nile. This is Nile river, right. So that statement would be right. So the second option would be right. So what will be the answer now? First would be cut and second only 2. B would be the correct option. Question number 5, consider the following statements about Arabian desert. It is also known as Eastern desert. Yeah, it is right. It extends from Egypt to Sudan. It is also right. It lies to the west of Nile river. No, it lies to the east of Nile river. So the option would be, which one will be the correct option? B would be the correct option. Only 1 and 2, right. See guys, this is the Eastern desert, right, and it lies to the east of Nile river. This is Nile river and it lies to the east of Nile river, and it is also known by the name Arabian desert, right. And as you can see, this one is Arabian Peninsula, right. And most important thing is it lies in 2 countries, that is Egypt and minor portion in Sudan also, right. So you can see these statements again. It is also known by the Eastern desert, right. Egypt and Sudan, right. West of Nile river, no. East of, right. So the option would be B, only 1 and 2. So guys, these were the questions for today, and you know that we have already completed our African continent. Now we are going to start our Asian continent in the next video. So guys, enjoy these questions and stay tuned to my channel for the next video. And yeah, at last, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and comment on it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.